Lina, and I want to make a bread today. A homemade bread that easy to make and not so complicated, and just simple use with the hand and this other tool here. Right, I'm gonna show you how to make it. Okay. So what I need is flour, and alright, a cup, big spoon, small spoon, that one, and sugar, and 1 empty bowl, and a yeast, okay, and the water. Right, so we're gonna ready, okay, start to do the bread. Alright, so we started now. Okay, we're gonna this 2 tablespoons yeast, and then we put warm water in it. Alright, warm water to let it sit until 5 minutes. We're gonna ready our thing here. Alright, so we put it aside and ready our bowl here. Okay. Alright, I try to use this one to take it out. Alright, okay. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay. 1, 2. Alright. I put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 2 spoons of salt. Okay. 1. Alright, I'm stir it up. Okay. I'm stir that up. Okay. Look. As you can see, stir up, and I put each of the time 1 cup of the time flour. Alright, while I put it in, I'm stirring. Okay, yeah, as you can see. Okay, stir until everything. Yeah, you see that? Okay, and mix it up again. This is the 2nd cup of flour, and I stir up again. Yeah, make it very, alright, and keep mixing it. Yes, as you can see here, it's stuck to be. Now I'm mixing the 3rd cup of flour. Alright. So that's the 3rd cup of flour. Yeah, I mix it up here. Alright. So yeah, I might be editing a little bit water on, because we have to edit 1 more cup of flour. Alright. And I added 1 more cup of flour. There you go. 1 more cup of flour. Alright, so that is ready there. I will add some little bit water in it. Okay, so it will settle well in. Wait until I mix it up all. Alright. Use this spoon to stir it up. Yeah. need a little bit time if you do it the bread. This is the normal one, use hand. If you use machine, it's a different one again, but this one is just use like this. So yes, you can see we start to be mix it up all together. So when that thing happen, right, so you need to ready your thing. All right, so okay, all right, I put some flour down, and I took it out this flour, and I use my hand to do it. All right, you will see that in a minute. Okay, so this one, and keep doing it like that. Okay, keep doing it like that until they all mix it up together. All right, so like that. Okay, a couple times and turning it on so it doesn't sticky so much. Okay, so this is just a normal bread, you know, it's very good. Okay, so if they start to sticky in your hand, you just put a flour around it, so, and then keep doing it, okay, until you feel like it's already in a good shape, around good shape. Okay, I will do it a little bit, couple more time. All right, and then okay, all right, they're gonna be ready soon. Already make it around. I'm ready to boil that before we using it. Okay, you just sprinkle some in it. Okay, and then you put it like that. See, like that. Okay, and then you take it one pour to close it down. Okay, so leave it for 1 hour when they rise up, and then you start to make it the bread. Okay, all right, we wait until 1 hour and we come back again. 1 hour, so we open. See, there is up already, really high. All right, did you see that? That is up so high. Okay, all right, so now I'm probably gonna ready the thing. The flour. All right, use this one to take it out. So they are cut it. Alright, cut it in two. I'm just make sure to put some flour in my hand. Alright, dip some flour in my hand, so it doesn't stick so much. See, okay, so alright, I'm gonna do like that. I'm gonna do like that. Alright, and then I already ready the thing, so it's already have a butter. Okay, and hang on, I just a little bit make a dish shape on it. Okay, yeah, like that. Alright. So this wait for another 1 more hour. Okay, we're gonna ready the oven. Returning to the that's the fan bag, and turning up the 120 degree for 15 minutes. Okay. Alright, so this is already the other side. You can see it's already raised higher. So we just close a little bit now, and waiting for the oven get heat so we can start to bake. Now, come and we sprinkle a little bit sesame seed on the top of it. So that's ready already. It looks so nice. Okay. Looks so amazing.